Okay, hello again. Just a short update from the Maker's Corner. Yep, now we've been working on this sunroof support and it's worked out pretty good. I have the prototypes here. They worked out really nicely. Also tested the prototypes on the swing and they fit very well. Now I've also printed this in the in that special material that I bought that can handle UV and water. And we'll see how, when I've installed them on the swing, so we'll see if how they will survive the winter. I'll come back with an update on that. So what else is going on? Been trying to print out this Lego figure. It's got several different model files, and the body worked out quite nicely with one flaw, but we don't really care about that. Now I've been working on the arms, and that's not going so well. Wait, I wonder if I can show. Let's see now. It's to do with orientation and usage of support. See, that's not that good. Here's another attempt in another angle with it standing up printing. Doesn't really turn out that good. And third trial. Anyway, I'm continuing now. I've been working on reducing the speed, reducing the temperature, reducing the material flow, reducing the infill to try and reduce the amount of material being extruded in this case. And we'll see how it works. I've got it running on the printer. You can probably hear the printer in the back. So we'll see how that will work. Also working on another project which I actually have already printed out the parts for. This is a small paddler that Adafruit designed. And it's just waiting. I have all the electronics and everything. I'm waiting to assemble it. I have to try and set up the new GoPro camera I have so that I can actually document this. So we'll see when I get that working. There's always a little bit of limitations with time. Okay, that's a small update for today. See ya.